Hello, good morning guys. Welcome to my channel, Mommy Young's Vlog. So today guys is I will unbox my gift guys from my Sisi. Look at guys. Happy birthday. Oh. So let's see if what's inside guys ha. Charan. The first one guys is this. Look at guys. Healthy bar. Crispy and tasty oat crispy and tasty casual snacks and energy. I think this is from Philippines guys. So it's time to eat na guys. Pinag-unbox na. So ano siya ang first guys. Wala siya sa sulod aniya. Paper bag. This is the birthday gift of my Sisi guys. From Marlena, my sexy and pretty na Sisi. Oh, and Ukanimuch. Then second guys, kay Charan. Wow. This is aloe eyes. Ano saan siya guys? The face shop. Soothing gel na siya guys. Aloe refreshing soothing gel. Jijo aloe eyes. Made in nasa man siya guys? Made in Korea I think. Ato gining pangitaw ng made in guys. Kaya this is important. What's this made in? Asa sa nila kabutang oy? Made in Korea I think guys. Wala, nice siya. No? Wow. So, next guys is charan. Oh no. This is very nice gift from my pretty Lawrence. Juby guys. I think she ordered this from Amazon. So this is for streaming and more. So I'm excited to use this guys maybe in the Philippines, no? Oh, see? What's so nice. Look at this. Oh my god. Thank you so much. Mega love shout out to my Sisi Marlena san. And thank you so much for giving me this kind of gift. Thank you from the bottom of my heart. Mwah. Thank you for watching guys. Bye bye.